What if I told you this could be turned into a logo? Well, stick around to watch me make it happen. Acha tuone kama tutaipata. This is episode 112 of this series, so if you'd love to check out more of these videos, just click the playlist button at the bottom of this video. Let me know your thoughts on this outcome, and remember you could be part of these videos. Just record a 10-second video of the object you have and send it to me through the email in my bio, and keep your eye for the video when I tag you in it. Thank you for watching.